Hello to all the viewers of Mech Digest by Komal. For our today's video, we have gearbox cover. It is a multi-section part, which means the making of this part is not extruded but blended with variable section profiles. Let us see in CATIA how it is made. We are going to start with this major profile of the box. So in the drawing, we see that there is an arc of R278. Mirror, and 70 is the distance given, that is the tangential distance of these two arcs. Okay. Now R30. The ends are at distance of 33 mm. Make it tangent. Arc of R5. Okay, so taking the reference of this angle, we are going to make the center at 45 degrees from the horizontal axis. For that, we need this axis. Okay, so we'll provide it later. So completing this side now. Okay, we are yet to give this 54, the center distance. Okay. Now this is R43, and here also we have same fillets of R5. 45 and 45. Okay. Now, if we see in this view, the same profile is extruded at 9 mm. Okay. Now the section is changing from this point to the top end. So we need an extra plane at offset of 43. On this face, we are going to project the edges as it is, as that is going to be one profile of the multi-section, and other profile of the multi-section would be on this plane, which is a circular geometry of diameter 46. Now in the multi-section, here we have to take care of the equal divisions on circle as of the previous geometry. So for that, taking the axis, now coinciding the end of the axis to the points on the previous section. These are the connection points which would be useful in multi-section. Okay, so by the help of this method, we are now clear as to about the locations where we have to divide the section on circle. So use this option, quick trim, for break and keep. Okay, exit. Use multi-section solid, first section and second section. Okay, now we should take care about the location of closing point, which should be at the aligning points on the section. Now join the coupling. Match the points which were divided into the 2D. Okay, so I guess we miss one division here. So let us go back to the previous sketch. Yes, we miss one division here. So let us add it. Okay. Okay. Remove the coupling 9 as there is some error. Okay. Now the next thing is going to be to make this object a shell in order to make it hollow. So using the shell option and removing this face, the thickness is going to be 1 mm. Okay. Now let us take a plane at 34 from this face to draw this geometry. Direction change and 34. Okay. So we have diameter 36 and diameter 20. The center is at 26 from vertical axis. Now adding a no trim fillet between these two circles. Okay. Break and rubber in to trim the section. Okay, but okay. This is going to be extruded up to the next phase. And there is an extrude of diameter 24, which is a 2 mm extrude. Okay, now there is a hole. Diameter 13, and pocket would be up to next, and we have the same diameter hole on this face as well. Which is concentric to this one. And this pocket would be up to 13 mm. Okay. Now the next thing is this. So take this face, okay, this is R6, and this is at 45 degrees. Make it concentric. Take a line, make it 45. Constrain it using coincidence and tangent. Okay. Same for this. Okay. Now projecting and trimming the sketch which is not required. And mirror. Okay. Now this is sketch R4. Okay. Trim this as well. But before it, give the necessary constraints here. And here as well. Use trim. Okay. This distance is 14. And this is 15. Extrude up to next. And holes pocket up to 4 mm. So again take this face. Constrain all of them. These holes are diameter 5 and these holes are diameter 4. Pocket up to 4 mm. Now remains this rib, which would be made at this location. So we need to take another plane which is 2 mm above this face, 2 mm above this face. So take this plane, okay. Now we need the intersected projection of this face on this plane. So use intersect 3D elements and project these faces. Okay, we see that two of them are constrained. So, and these are not constrained. So let us fix them. And we need to extrude. Sorry, we need no extrude, we need to project these edges. Turn off the construction mode. Now extrude them using thick profile. Make it up to next. Reverse the direction. Assume thickness to be 2 mm and make it neutral fiber for the thickness on either sides of the sketch. So here we complete the modeling of gear cover box. Please mention in the comment box if you have any doubts. Guys, please subscribe to my channel so that I can share my knowledge to all those who are willing to design. Thank you guys.